Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I am going to show you how to download Hamster Kombat and install them on your iPhone. So before I proceed, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Know that Hamster Kombat will pay soon. So anything you're doing, please do fast so that you can cash out and withdraw from your Hamster Kombat account. Now let's proceed. First of all, let's head over to App Store on iPhone. Now I'm on the App Store. So what you're going to do now is on the search tab, first of all click Hamster Kombat. Let me show you something very important. You search for Hamster Kombat. Now on the search list, you're going to see that you're going to see Hamster Kombat clicker guide. You're going to see Hamster Kombat. You're going to see several Hamster Kombat. Please do not download those apps. Those are not the right Hamster Kombat bots that will fetch you money, that you can mine to earn money from. These are not the right Hamster Kombat. Now, to download the right Hamster Kombat on your iPhone, this is what you're going to do. On the search tab on your iPhone App Store, search, click for, look for Telegram. Yes. Search Telegram and download the Telegram app, because you are going to use this Telegram app to access your Hamster Kombat on your iPhone. So in case you do not have Telegram on your iPhone, please download this Telegram app from your App Store so that you can start mining now. Well, I already have this Telegram on my phone already, but if you do not have it, please download it. Now, after downloading this Telegram, you're going to head straight to the app. Then on the search tab, search Hamster Kombat. Now you're still also going to see several hamsters and all that. So to get the right Hamster Kombat, you're going to click Hamster Kombat with blue tick on it. Then at the downside, you're going to see boats. So what you're going to see literally is Hamster Kombat boat with a blue tick. So you just have to click on it. So on the platform, you're going to see start or restart at the bottom of the platform on the Hamster Kombat. Well, if you're just starting for the first time, you're going to see start, but I'm already on this platform, so what I am going to see is restart. So in case you're just starting out, just click start on your iPhone and a message popping out will say play in one click. Just click play in one click and then you are good to go. Let's just wait for the thing to load. Now we're on the platform already. As you can see, we are on Hamster Kombat already on our iPhone. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you can download Hamster Kombat on your iPhone without any mistake. So this is how it is done. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to share this to others. There are many other iPhone users that are looking for a way to download this Hamster Kombat on their iPhone. Make sure you share this video to get to others. So that is the only help you can help others now, to help them share this video so that they can get this information now before the listing date. Thank you.